How to fix Messenger not opening. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can fix your Messenger app not opening. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First, what you'll need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a good and strong internet connection, and if your Wi-Fi is not working, you can always open up your mobile data. Do either one of those, and after you've done that, what you'll then need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find general. After you're on your general, go to your iPhone storage. After you're on your iPhone storage, simply search for Messenger app. So search for Messenger here, tap on show all. There we go, there's Messenger. Open it up. Now first offload the app. Tap on offload and confirm the offloading of the app, and then after offloading it, you'll find the reinstall button. Press on it to reinstall the app. This will basically clear out the cache in Messenger. After doing that, check out if your Messenger app is opening up or not. If it's still not opening, head over to your app store. Sometimes apps might get bug in them, so uh you know the apps might have to face some technical issues. So head over to your app store and search for Messenger, and after you see Messenger, open it up to check if there is an update available. If you tap on update here, what this will do is with every update there are new bug fixes and basically better efficiency and better performance. The app will get updated. So update the app, and after you update it, the bug should be fixed, and that should fix a technical issue which is preventing you from opening up Messenger. After the update ends, you can then open up your Messenger and it should be good as new. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.